Okay, so let's get started and start making predictions now. So first visit the website unfoldit.herokuapp.com. Now browse your train dataset and first show you a look around the train dataset so you can understand the dataset better. Okay, so here are the columns. So you can see the columns in numbers and strings. Okay, so now close the window and add the dataset. Press the upload button. Okay, now you'll be greeted with this model selection page. Select your model classification. You need to create a model. Create it. Choose the Y attribute. Here it is purchased. Select the maximum time. We'll choose 15 and submit it. Now wait for your model to be ready. So at this point we're done with creating the model. We have optimized the best pipeline and the Python code along with it. You can download the script anytime. Okay, I'll download it and keep it. Okay, so here's the activity log. You can see the accuracy score. That's 92.5%. It's a good one. And the R2 score is 0.925. Now you can make further predictions on this dataset right here. Now upload your actual dataset or the test dataset. This one. Okay, this dataset must not contain the column that we just predicted. The target column. See, the last column or the target Y column should not be there because we're predicting that, right? Now choose and upload it. And the predictions are generated. You can click load button to load the table. Great. Now you can see the new purchased column on the rightmost side. This is the predicted column which has values 0 and 1. Now you can also download this table as a CSV file which you will be able to open in Excel or any other CSV reading kind of apps. Great, we're done with this. Next, I'll show you how to visualize the data. Now, assuming we have already uploaded the dataset and collected the token, we can use this Use Token button and enter the generated token that we have saved earlier and verify this token to resume work on the previous dataset. You can see the name of the dataset that you're currently working on the top of your screen. Since we're working on COVID-19 dataset, and we can generate the tokens like this. The part that you have already seen earlier, we can generate them now. Since we're working on visualization problem, we'll choose that. Now we'll load the model because we have already created it. Assuming we've already created it, and you don't need to pick this because it's already created. Now submit it. And these are your plots. Scatter plots, pair plots, distribution plots, bar plots, and pivot and violin and heat map. As you can see, all the possible kind of plots are being generated right here. You can interpret these plots and analyze the data. Right, that's the end of the visualization. And if you have any further queries, you can ask them to our bot and he'll try his best to respond to your questions. Okay, so that was all. Thank you.